Hi all, this is Vimal Vishnathan here, and as part of our MechLeadership community, we are starting off with the first knowledge sharing session or a basic training session on DFMEA, that is Design Failure Mode Effect Analysis. So before moving into the session, a brief introduction on MechLeadership community. Basically, the community is formed as a group of mechanical engineering professionals where we support each other in growing together and learning together. The community's major principle is to help each other in finding jobs and progressing in career, and help on topics that we have doubts or improvement on, either be it technical or be soft skills. So the community has been started in such a view, and hopefully moving forward, it progresses in a larger aspect, and looking forward to that. So let's begin the session. Before that, let me introduce myself. I hope the screen is visible. So a brief introduction about me. I am Vimal Vishnathan, and basically I'm a mechanical graduate, and I'm a PMP certified professional, that is project management professional. I'm also a Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certified professional, where I have contributed as a design engineer into Six Sigma projects. And I'm also an author for the recent book that is published in Amazon as an ebook, that is Uncommunicated Communications, where we refrain our life projects on communication. So it's a good read. Do check it out. The session will be on DFMEA basics, what the DFMEA is, how to use the DFMEA, why DFMEA is important, and other terminologies that are used in DFMEA, like the severity, occurrence, detection, and RPN and all. So basic insights to all these. So let's get started without wasting much of the time. Yeah. So today, let's see what design failure mode effect analysis is. Basically, failure mode effect analysis is performed as a risk analysis tool where a design engineer is able to develop designs with reliability and safety. Most of the design engineers are supposed to deliver products with good design and good reliability. So failure mode effect analysis is a tool that is used to identify all the risks or failure that can happen to a design, and what are the effect, and how do we analyze or cut down the failure or risk of failure in a design. So yeah, it's a very important tool for design engineers to develop designs which are reliable and safe. Now, failure mode effect analysis, that is FMEA, are of two types. One for the design and second for the process. Here we are focusing only on the design FMEA, which will help us identify potential failure in a system and prevents failure by providing a quality design output. Now let's try to understand what is the purpose of doing a design failure mode effect analysis.